and looking at that, all of that in the NQ. Now, this moved down the other week in the NQ, did hit this 618, and although I've got it labeled here as a straightforward 5-wave structure, we can count it as an A, B, and then a C here. So we may, the NQ lends itself more to the idea of a 1, 2, 1, and the 2 in, and up we go. But again, yesterday's low, we came below the 50% retrace, and that's just based on this move up, by the way. Below the 50, didn't get to the 618, didn't get to the 1.0, etc., etc., etc. We didn't hit. So at the moment, even within this, I would expect a C wave down to 72.45 in the NQ. So I'm looking for this blue box here to hold any upside action, and then turn back down at least one more time into the bottom of this green zone on the 2-hour chart in the NQ. If not, a complete washout day that takes us all the way down to the larger 2 in the NQ. I'm kind of going off the idea that we're going to get that deep in the NQ. I think 72.45 should contain any more downside. If we take out 75.05 in the NQ, then I think that's the signal for all the indices that we're going immediately higher. Now, also, if we come across and look at the Dow this morning, that's quite strong. The Dow is a nearer fib hit. It hit its 38.2. It took the bottom of this out, which takes the 1212 off the table in the Dow. So much cleaner count. That is the one. And then a straightforward A, B, A, B, C for a double zigzag that spiked and reversed through the 38.2, but no body of the candle, even on a 2-hour time frame, remained below it, and up we come. We're right at the 618 retrace of this move down, bottom of the blue box. So I'm watching the NQ to lead and the Dow to take out 25,582. If that happens, then I'm going to work on the basis that the 2 is in and we're heading higher on a more immediate basis in the US indices. Okay.